Introducing the 2016 Chevrolet Suburban. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like power windows, mirrors, and seats, leather upholstery, a rear window wiper, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated front and rear seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, adjustable pedals, and a blind spot monitoring system. State-of-the-art amenities such as memory seats and adjustable pedals yield a more personal driving experience. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.